And here is the cat food aisle I was talking about. Please don't forget about your furry friends, because they're going to need to eat just like we are when we have an issue. And this is actually, I have an indoor-outdoor cat. I wasn't planning on picking this up today, but since it's so short now, they have plenty of the, well, not really plenty, but a pretty good chunk of the canned cat food. Like I said, I feed the cheapest to my indoor-outdoor cat. This is the last bag of this size on here. I'm gonna pick it up while I can. House, but we're here in the meat section, and no shortages going on here. Looks pretty good. So folks, get it while you can, stack it while you can, because one never knows what's going to be happening in the world we're living in today. I want to give a quick heads up just on this great value chicken. I have tried them before. I don't like any of them. You're better off getting the actual brand name on this stuff. It just tastes better. The chicken salad is awesome. But anyway, avoid that. It's got a funky flavor to it. But you can always try it. You know my motto, try it before you buy it. You never know, you might like it. Okay, here we are on the canned meat aisle. Well stocked today. So today is going to be about as much protein as we can get. And for $20, there's my Vienna sausage, which I'm totally out of. So we will pick up these items and then check it out once we get back to the house. Okay. Here's what we ended up with our Walmart protein haul that we got. Got corned beef hash, chili with beans, that armor treat I did a taste review on, which I loved. We're doing chicken salad, Star-Kissed, and that. We ended up spending $20.82, so just barely over. And what we ended up with here is 22 servings, 278 grams of protein, and 5,512 calories. So I think that's a good protein haul. I appreciate y'all watching. God bless. Have a great day. I'm out.